everybody. My name's Jordan and we are making cupcakes.
We need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, and 4 large eggs.
1 cup of water, oil, and then 5 eggs.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then let's do the eggs first, so then if any of the shells fall, we can get them out. Our eggs, see how Mommy cracked it? And then you pull it apart like that.
The egg!
3 more, you wanna try one?
Yep.
Here you go, try to crack it in there. Crack it. There you go, now let's pull it apart. Yeah, keep going, put your feet, good job! Pull it apart. Oh, that's amazing.
Now let's put some in.
Yes, and pour that in. Amazing. These are your cupcakes, sis. You do the thing. Okay.
4th cup of oil.
Good.
Look! It's yellow!
So now you're just gonna mix it all up, okay? Mixy, mixy.
It's pink, it's pink.
Okay, so let me show you what you're gonna do, because I believe you can do this for sure. You're gonna scoop, pour it into one of these holes right here. You're okay. It's all right if we make a mess. We can clean it. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Try it. Don't put that back in there. Okay.
These look delicious.
They do look delicious. Okay, so we are gonna bake them for about 18 minutes, okay?
Okay, we'll be back in a minute.